Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to find your call history on the WhatsApp app using your PC. With the latest updates, accessing your call logs has become easier than ever. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official website or your app store. Once you have it ready, launch the application to get started. Next, look at the left side menu of the app. You will see several icons, including one that resembles a phone. Click on the phone icon. This is where you can access all your call-related information. Now, once you click on the phone icon, you will be directed to a section labeled Recent. Here, under the Recent section, you can find all your call history. This includes incoming calls, outgoing calls, and any missed calls you may have had. It's a straightforward way to keep track of your communication without any hassle. If you want to revisit a specific call, simply click on the entry to view more details about that call. You can see when it was made and whether it was a voice or video call. This feature is particularly handy for those who rely heavily on WhatsApp for their communication needs. Remember that while WhatsApp Web allows you to send messages and media easily, it does not support making calls directly from the web interface. However, with the desktop app, you can make calls and manage your call history effectively. To summarize, finding your call history on WhatsApp through your PC is as simple as opening the app, clicking on the phone icon in the left menu, and checking under the Recent section for all your calls. This new update streamlines the process and enhances user experience significantly. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you navigate WhatsApp more efficiently on your PC. Happy calling!